Hey everybody, let's take a look at question 20.5 out of Braun, LeMay, and Burston. Okay, so we have a spontaneous reaction, and there it is. Okay, and so it says if we're going to make a voltaic cell, what half reaction would be occurring at the cathode, what half reaction would be occurring at the anode? Now, on first inspection, I have to admit that I looked at this question, I was like, what is going on here? I don't have any information. But then I remembered, oh, at cathode anode, we have to remember that the barnyard principle, the red cat and the anox are both on the barnyard. And so we have a half reaction where A reacts to form A minus and B reacts to form B plus. So what's happening to this? Let's see, this is plus an electron, and this is plus an electron here. So let's see, so which one is losing electrons? Let's see, this guy is losing electrons. So this is the oxidation, and this is the reduction. Okay, and so we can also look at the charge here. This starts off as being neutral, and then the charge goes down. Okay, so the charge is being reduced. Okay, so either way, now we know what is happening here, which one's being reduced and which one is being oxidized. And then it says which half reaction has a higher potential energy. And so this is, in essence, asking us to look at a, if I can pull it up for some reason, this is asking us to look and see which one has a higher cell potential. So on a list of cell potentials, which one has a higher positive value? So let's see if I can go here. Okay, let's see. Most of this video is going to be me loading up pages. Okay. And so if we look at our information, let's see, maybe this is the one that I want here. It's a picture. There it is. Okay. Okay, so we're saying which one is going to be higher on the list. Now let's keep in mind our northwest southeast principle. Okay, whatever the one that's going to be higher, we want to be on the top and over here. So it looks like all the ions are going to be over here, and we want the compound to be over here. So, or the element to be over here. But let's look and see what we can come up with. Okay. Okay. Well, that may not be able to help us. I did all of that so that it wouldn't help us. I think what we have to do is we have to look at the cell potential formula. E naught cell equals the E naught of the cathode minus the E naught of the anode. Okay, so which one has to be higher? Okay, well, the one that has to be higher is the cathode, and so the red cat, so it's got to be this guy, because we need this thing to be a positive cell potential. So it's almost like this question should be up here. Okay, in order for the reaction to be spontaneous, cell potential has to be positive. Okay, there's no other way for us to do that. So in order for cell potential to be positive, that means that this thing has to have a higher potential energy than this thing. Okay, so that when you add those things up, it still stays positive. Okay, this needs to be 5, and this can be 4. And then when you add those up, you get a positive cell potential. This can't be 3, because if it's smaller, then 3 minus 4 gives you a negative cell potential, and that doesn't work. Okay, so that goes over 20.5. Have a great day.